More fallout from the indictment of 7 Baltimore police officers charged in a widespread racketeering scheme. Now, the city state's attorney wants to vacate criminal convictions that relied on the words of any of those officers. WJZ is live at City Police Headquarters. Ritter explains this fallout continues to get worse. Rick?
Well, Denise, right now the city state's attorney's office is focused on hundreds of cases that were possibly tainted by these officers. But when it's all said and done, we could be looking at thousands. The images are still surreal. 7 Baltimore officers indicted, what dropped a bombshell on the entire city.
It's disgusting.
It's been called one of the largest corruption cases in years. An elite gun unit that was praised, accused of shaking down citizens, filing false court paperwork, and raking in false overtime.
These are really simply robberies by people who are wearing police uniforms.
Fallout that's only getting wider. State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby says her office is now working to vacate any criminal conviction since 2015 that relied solely on the words of these 7 officers.
Understanding and recognizing that the credibility of these officers has now been directly called into question.
Mosby's team has identified 50 active cases and 150 closed that are possibly tainted.
We have prioritized individuals that either are or were incarcerated.
30 of those cases already had charges dropped, including Albert Brown's.
Is there a reason you don't have your seatbelt on today?
Brown claims 4 of the indicted officers pulled him over and planted drugs and a gun in his minivan.
I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy.
The public defender's office is also conducting a review of its closed cases, fielding dozens of calls.
Any client who wants us to take a look at it, we will find a way to do it.
While Mosby's team is honed in on cases from 2015 on, Natalie Fingar says her office wants justice for every defendant impacted. If this investigation goes into cases before January 2015, do you expect this number to skyrocket?
We're going to go back and we're going to continue to look, and I still maintain that this problem could extend to thousands of cases. It really could.
Of the 50 active cases, 13 are incarcerated defendants. 10 of them have already been released. Live at City Police Headquarters tonight, I'm Ritter, WJZ Eyewitness News.
All right, thank you very much, Rick. All 7 officers have pleaded not guilty. They are being held pending trial.